Alright, so that's what the lenses look like on my eyes. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have got the Hidrocor on this side and I've got the natural colours on this side. And again, the differences are quite apparent between these two. I've recently done a review comparison on the Quartzo lenses as well. Again, Hidrocor and natural colours. If you guys would like to see that, I'll have a link down in the description box down below and also the eye on the screen. So yeah, if you guys are only here for like the visuals, you can stop watching now. But if you guys would like to know more about the lenses, my experiences, my review, and my opinions, whether or not they're natural or not, definitely keep on watching. Okay, so, I mean, looking at the lenses, you can already tell the difference. They're quite obvious. But I guess you guys are here because you guys want to know which lens do you think is going to be appropriate for you, which is more natural. And again, I feel like this question really depends on what your natural features are like and also what your aim is with the lens, like what kind of look you guys are trying to achieve. Okay, if we're going to talk about naturalness, I would probably say natural colors is probably the more natural out of the two. I feel like there's more blending and there's more dimension with a natural color lens compared to Hidrocor. I think I mentioned it in my previous video where I said Hidrocor lenses tend to be just a plain block of color. I didn't really mean like just a whole block of color, but it's just more stark and not much blending compared to the natural color range. You still have that limbal ring, and then you also have that sort of like sea green blue kind of color, and then it kind of fades into like a very light gray green sort of shade, and then towards the pupil. Also with regards to the pupil size, I feel like they're both quite similar. I can't really tell the difference. Obviously, the pupil is a little bit more noticeable on the Hidrocor side. Okay, on the Hidrocor side, as you guys can see, this one is definitely almost like a baby blue with a touch of green as opposed to the other Topazio. There's not much blending, I have to say that. And if we're going by naturalness, again, natural color is definitely the one. But if you guys are looking for a big pop of color, different change, definitely the Hidrocor one is definitely the one for you. Question is, which one do I think looks natural without makeup? Natural colors definitely takes the prize for that one. This one kind of looks a little bit too much, and I think someone mentioned in my review that they kind of look neon, and I actually have to agree. They kind of look a bit neon. They look very, very pretty on camera and in photos, but I feel like in real life without makeup, they're just a little bit too harsh for my features. Again, I have to say this in every video because every time I talk about how natural contact lenses are, someone always brings up the fact that I'm Asian, and yes, I am very well aware of that. Thank you very much. But when I talk about how natural it is, I'm talking about what it looks like on the actual eye itself. I'm not talking about how it looks on me. I mean, obviously you've got naturally dark features and stuff like that, so it's not going to look very natural, but you know, we're just gonna say natural on the eye. That's pretty much it really. If you guys would like to see a proper review on the Hidrocor lens, I have a review as well. I actually haven't done a video on this lens. If you guys would like me to do a proper in-depth review, definitely let me know. Usually when I do these kinds of reviews, I really go in-depth and talk more about the color and blending and everything like that. So yeah, definitely let me know if you guys are into that. If you guys haven't subscribed already, I would really appreciate it if you guys did hit the subscribe button, also that notification bell, so you guys don't miss out on any of my videos. If you guys would like to see the rest of my content and stuff like that, I also do stuff on Instagram. I'm pretty active on there if you guys would like to check that out. Again, links will be down in the description box down below and also on the screen. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!